Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 6, Lesson 34, and we're starting a brand new unit all about adverbs. You've already met nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Now it's time for a word that quietly does a huge amount of work, the adverb. Today, we'll see how an adverb describes a verb, telling us how the action happens, when it happens, where it happens, and how often. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an adverb? An adverb describes or modifies another word. In this lesson, we'll focus on the most common job of all, an adverb describing a verb. Remember, the verb is the action of the sentence. The adverb takes that action and colors it in, giving us extra detail. Watch what happens. She sang. That's a fine sentence, but it's a little bare. Now add an adverb. She sang beautifully. Suddenly, we know something about how she sang. That one little word, beautifully, is the adverb, and it's describing the verb sang. An adverb that describes a verb answers one of four handy questions about that action. The first is, how? She writes neatly. Neatly tells us how she writes. The second is, when? We leave soon. Soon tells us when we leave. The third is where. The dog waited outside. Outside tells us where the dog waited. And the fourth is how often. He always wins. Always tells us how often he wins. How, when, where, or how often. Ask those four questions and you'll spot the adverb every time. Here's a picture that makes it click. Take the sentence. The cat quietly crept along the fence. The action word, the verb, is crept. Now, which word is describing that verb? Quietly. It tells us how the cat crept. So the adverb quietly points straight at the verb crept, describes it, and gives us the detail. That's the whole relationship. The adverb reaches over and describes the verb. Now, a lot of adverbs share a helpful clue. They end in the letters ly. Very often, you build one by taking an adjective and simply adding ly to it. Watch. The adjective quick becomes the adverb quickly, as in, she answered quickly. Soft becomes softly, as in, he spoke softly. Careful becomes carefully, as in, we carried the box carefully. So a great rule of thumb is this. Adjective plus ly usually gives you an adverb. That ending is one of your best hints. But here's the catch, and it's an important one. Not every adverb ends in ly. Plenty of very common adverbs have no ly at all. Think about words like fast, hard, soon, here, and often. Each one still describes a verb. He ran fast. Fast tells how he ran. Come here. Here tells where to come. We meet often. Often tells how often we meet. So the ly ending is a wonderful clue, but don't rely on it by itself. Always double check by asking whether the word is describing the verb. Here's something that makes adverbs a little different from other words. An adverb that describes a verb can move around the sentence. Watch the same adverb, suddenly, change seats. Suddenly the rain stopped. The rain suddenly stopped. The rain stopped suddenly. All three sentences are correct, and in every one, suddenly is still describing the verb stopped. The adverb just took a different spot in the line. That flexibility is a signature move of adverbs, so don't be surprised to find one at the front, the middle, or the end. One quick warning so you don't mix things up. An adjective and an adverb can look like cousins, but they do different jobs. An adjective describes a noun, a person, place, or thing. In a quick runner, the word quick describes the runner, the person, so it's an adjective. But in she runs quickly, the word quickly describes runs, the action, so it's an adverb. The test is simple. Ask yourself, is this word describing a thing or is it describing the action? If it's the action, you're looking at an adverb. Let's boil it all down to a quick two-step check you can run on any sentence. Step 1. Find the verb, the action of the sentence. Step 2. Ask the 4 questions about that verb. How, when, where, or how often. Whatever word answers one of those questions is your adverb. Find the verb, ask the questions, and the answering word is the adverb. Ready to try a few together? In this first set, read each sentence and find the adverb, the word that's describing the verb. Pause the video and try each one yourself before I give the answer. The children laughed loudly at the clown. First, the verb, the action, is laughed. Now, which word tells us how they laughed? Loudly. It's describing the verb laughed, so the adverb is loudly. We will visit Grandma tomorrow. The verb here is visit. Now ask the questions. Tomorrow tells us when we will visit, so it's describing the verb. The adverb is tomorrow. The kite flew high above the trees. The verb is flew. Which word tells us where it flew? High. It describes the verb flew, so high is the adverb. And notice, it doesn't end in ly, but it's still an adverb. Now, a slightly trickier set. For each sentence, decide whether the underlined word is an adverb, describing the verb, or something else. Pause and try each before I answer. The runner finished the race easily. Is easily describing a thing or the action? It tells us how he finished the race, and finished is the verb, so easily is describing the action. The answer is adverb. She rarely forgets her homework. The verb is forgets. Rarely tells us how often she forgets, and how often is one of our 4 adverb questions. So rarely is describing the verb. The answer is adverb. The team practices hard every day. Careful, hard has no ly ending, so it's tempting to say it's not an adverb. But ask the question, how does the team practice? They practice hard. It's describing the verb practices, so the answer is adverb. Let's wrap up what we learned. An adverb describes a verb, and it answers one of 4 questions about the action: how, when, where, or how often. Many adverbs end in ly, especially ones built from adjectives, but plenty of common ones like fast, hard, soon, here, and often don't. And remember, an adverb describing a verb can slide to the front, the middle, or the end of a sentence. In our next lesson, we'll see how adverbs can describe adjectives and even other adverbs. Nice work today. I'll see you there.